Back at it again, YouTube. It's a 2014 Chevy SS project. I'm almost ready for liftoff. So far, what I've done is took off the front wheels, disconnected the brake lines that's connecting. I also disconnected from the gearbox, from the power steering, or from the steering shaft. Got the struts down, subframe bolts out, disconnected my drive shaft. I have everything disconnected under there. My trans is loose. It's just supported by this jack stand right now. So I went ahead and called in some reinforcements. I got my brother coming to help me out because I'm just about ready to pull the whole engine out of the car at this point. Got everything pretty much disconnected. I just need to force that separation. So should be shortly, either today or should be pretty soon. This is where I am so far. For those who are new to the channel, what I'm doing, I blew a rod out of my other side of my engine down here. Right down in this area. Pretty big size hole. As you can see, I got some pistons that got slapped pretty bad on this side, and some pistons that are, just not there at all on this side. They just kind of got obliterated. My timing chain got all obliterated. It's actually a piece of a piston right here. If you can see it, those are where the piston rings were, and it is destroyed. This is a broken rod that I just found under there. It got pretty destroyed. So I have a new engine. I'm gonna replace the bottom end, and I've already started to put all of my engine together. I sold the heads and a few other miscellaneous parts and swapped all the rest over to my new block. So right now I just have the bare block sitting in here connected to the trans. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lower the backside of the trans enough to where I can get the bell housing bolts. The engine won't spin over, of course. I'm sure there's something blocking it, rod or something that's broken off, but I'm gonna get all the bell housing bolts out of there and just pry the trans away from the engine a little bit, enough where I can get the torque converter bolts out, and then I should be free enough to take the whole engine out of the top or the bottom, whichever's easier to me at the time. I'll just probably end up taking it out the bottom, but worst come to worst, I'll take it out the top if I can't get any other progress. But I've already loosened all of the subframe bolts, and you have to replace them if you loosen them. So I'll probably go out the